everyone! Welcome to my mini vlog! This is Sophia! At ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ingredients at tools sa paggawa ng sandwich! Simulan natin sa pagpapakita ng ingredients at tools sa paggawa ng sandwich. At isa-isahin natin mamaya upang malaman kung ano-ano ito. Simulan natin sa mayonnaise na may halong red onion at hinaluan ko rin ng salt at pepper to taste. Sunod naman ay chips. Any chips will do as side dish of the sandwich. Lettuce. Lettuce ang una nating ilalagay kapag nalagyan na ng butter ang bread. Butter. Maglalagay tayo ng butter sa bread to protect the bread from moisture. Pwede rin namang ibang alternative gaya ng margarine. Steam ham. Mas maiging steam kaysa prito dahil baka masunog ang gilid or worst ay baka lumobo. Cheese. Good combination ng ham dahil ang ham and cheese ay isa sa mga most popular combination ng sandwich fillings. White bread. Yan ang magsisilbing structure or base natin na lalagyan ng moistening agent at filling. Sunod naman ay cucumber at tomato o vegetable items. Indispensable yan sa sandwich production. Sa tools naman tayo, una ay chopping board o cutting board na ginagamit sa pag-slice ng bread to protect the table. Next ay tissue. Mas maganda kung tissue at hindi basahan to avoid contamination. Plate o white plate. Diyan natin ilalagay ang finished product na sandwich for serving. Para naman sa mga kubyertos, isa-isahin natin. Knife or dinner knife na panghiwa ng sandwich along with the fork. They are referred as fork and one of the types in cutlery. Pangalawa ay tong o sandwich tongs na ginagamit pang flip at pick up ng ingredients ng sandwich. Pangatlo at panghuli naman ang kutsara o spoon para pang spread ng butter at mayonnaise. And those are the ingredients and tools. You may also use them as an idea or suggestion. It's a good choice of combination. And that's the end of my mini vlog. Kindly subscribe and don't forget to share and like.
What?